Hi guys, ngayon maglalaro po tayo ng Don't Sleep. Don't Sleep lang alam. Pwede na tayo mag-sleep na tayo. Ayun na guys, mag-start na kami. Wish me. Nalaro ko na ito kasi napatay ako kanina dahil sila Don't Sleep daw tapos sinabi ko to. So, ang gagawin namin dito, go to bed and sleep. Ayun ang sinabi. Wake up, guys. You all slept all day. Eh, tamad kami. Someone left the heater and now it broke. Ay, kawawa. We need to fix or we all die overnight. Let me find batteries around the house so I can fix it. 1, 2, and 3. That's mine. 3, 4. Tapos, that's all of them. Thanks. I'll go outside and fix the generator. Stay here and stay awake. Okay. So, pumunta na siya doon. That's it. May tumili. You hear a scream coming from outside. Guys, did you hear that? It sounded like Chain screaming. Lalabas pa tayo? Ah! Let's go check on him quick. What happened here? I don't know, but it looks like there's a note. Why do we keep hearing don't sleep? Let's go back inside it. It just doesn't feel right. Tara, balik. 10:30. You are feeling tired. Ang aras ng sa note sound. But the note keeps you awake. I'm so tired. But what whatever just happened to Jane, I'm scared to sleep. Let's just go to bed and figure this out. Nako, tama. Ha? Ha? Ako. Sorry guys, mama ko lang yun. I said don't sleep. What's going on with the light? Wake up everyone. Uy! Hala, yun siya. What is that dog thing pala? Pumasok! Run from the beast.
Yun pa.
What's since it's 6 there's a window outside the box. We should take there's a ladder going on the window. It's broken. Hindi pa tayo nalang mag-isa. Tapusin ko to. We can use the wooden plank pile to rebuild the ladder. Good. Let's climb up the ladder. Ayun na, wala naman ako nakikita dito ah. Where's the monster? Asan yung corn maze? Sige lang. If there's a river between us and the corn maze, we need to find chain. We have no choice but to jump across. Takbo! Doon! Sige! Takbo. Master OB ako, guys. Kaya, easy lang. Jump. 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 Enter at okidoki. Ay, dapat wala. Binabat-bat natin siya. Pero siguro makakalaban natin yung dahil may pantig. Panigurado. Lah, nag-cutscene. Lahat lang naman itim ah. Are we sure about this? Enter your own risk. Oh, sure ako dyan. Let's find chain. And just stay close to each other. Eh, ako nga lang ito mag-isip. Lah. Found the base. Found the end. Okay, found the end. Got 5 coins. It's a spearbow. But wait, there's a note on it. It says, check the basement. Maybe that's where chain is. Chainsaw. The monster is out of the attic. And yung basement. Ito yung basement. Let's hide at the end. Takbo, te, takbo. Takbo. Tignan natin. Buti di lumingon. It ran into woods. We can try to run and lock him out. We have to be quick. Ready? Oh, ready na. We need to find the key. Search the house. Search tayo dito. Wala. Ayun yung key. There. Got the key. Ay, wait lang guys. Look around for everything. Here. Check behind bookshelf. It says check behind the bookshelf. You have to push this bookshelf. May ano dun oh? There's a hole leading down. Let's jump in. Baka ano, mamatay tayo dito. Wow! Is this a trap? I know you're tired. Just sleep. Who are you? What did you do with Jane? Ala! Wala naman siya. Come into the shadows. Paano makakapunta kung I'll show you. Paano makapunta kung nakalak ako sa cage? Bobo ka ba? Ay. We have to break out this cage. Hit the glass with our bats. Hit. Let's keep moving. Mga ben. Oh! The monster is chasing us with his bent OB. We have no choice but to jump across. Come on. Dito. Jump. Ah! Namatay ako! Lana. So, ayun na lang guys. Stay out for part 2. Siguro bibigyan ko to ng part 2. Bye-bye.